This time I would like to introduce the new members of the Luckfox Lyra series from Luckfox Technology, Luckfox Lyra Ultra and Luckfox Lyra Ultra W. Both development boards are equipped with the Rockchip RK3506B processor. The RK3506B is an SoC designed for multimedia applications such as intelligent voice interaction, audio processing, and image output. It integrates with a 3-core ARM Cortex-A7 CPU with a frequency up to 1.2 GHz, powerful and versatile. Compared to Lyra's RK3506G2 processor, RK3506B supports larger capacity external memory to meet more complex application scenarios. In terms of interfaces, Ultra and Ultra W are equipped with the same 2-channel MIPI DSI interface as Lyra. The maximum frequency of each channel is up to 1.5 gigabits per second. The maximum output resolution is 1280x1280 at 60 fps, compatible with Raspberry Pi 22-pin MIPI DSI interface, and suitable for most Raspberry Pi DSI displays. In addition, compared to Lyra, it also brings the following 8 important upgrades. 1. Onboard 512 MB DDR3L memory, providing users with a stable system operating experience while increasing memory capacity. 2. Upgrade the memory from SPI NAND flash to 8 GB eMMC, providing larger storage space and faster and safer read and write capabilities. 3. Optional wireless module supporting Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, expanding stable and efficient wireless communication capabilities for devices. 4. Added RTC interface. 5. Support audio output with an added speaker interface. 6. Reserve PoE module interfaces and provide PoE module packages to offer flexible power solutions for devices. 7. Added USB-A interface for easy access to USB peripherals. 8. Further expand the pin header interface, improve the connection capability of peripherals, and fully introduce the multiplexed Rockchip Matrix IO pin. Fully lead out the Rockchip Matrix IO pins with rich multiplexing functions. These eye-catching upgrades provide strong support for Lyra Ultra and Lyra Ultra W in IoT development, multimedia development, and other innovative application areas. If you are looking for a compact, beautifully designed, and cost-effective multi-core Linux development board, the Luckfox Lyra Ultra is undoubtedly the best choice for you. Now let's look at the main differences between the two versions. 1. Ultra W version adds wireless module supporting Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. 2. Ultra version is equipped with 2 native USB OTG 2.0 interfaces, while Ultra W version is equipped with 1 USB OTG 2.0 interface. It expands 2 USB host 2.0 interfaces through a hub and additionally connects a wireless module. To support developers, we provide customized SDKs and rich application examples developed by the Luckfox team to help users quickly get started with secondary development. Additionally, we have detailed wiki documentation that even beginners can easily access to solve development issues. Furthermore, we also have an active community. Developers can exchange experiences through forums and communities, exploring innovative solutions together.